Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Weakley County in West Tennessee, eastern Obion County in West Tennessee, Henry County in West Tennessee, until 10 a.m. At 9:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles northeast of Mayfield to near Fulgham to near Hickman, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martin, Union City, Paris, Fulton, Paris Landing State Park, Dresden, South Fulton, Greenfield, Gleason, Troy, Kenton, Sharon, Cottage Grove, Latham, Clayton, Routon, Palmersville, Puryear, Hazel, and Woodland Mills. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 a.m. for the following counties in Tennessee: Henry, Obion, and Weakley.